In this video, I'll show you how to change the color of the shipping calculated at checkout text, which is visible on the product page in Shopify theme. And for the purpose of this example, let's change the color of the text to red. At first, let's log into Shopify admin account, then select Online Store. Now look for your current theme, in my case is Dawn, and then select Customize. Once the editor loads at the very top, click on the drop-down menu, then select Products, then click on Default Product. Then on the left side of the screen under Template, click on the product information, then scroll all the way to the bottom and expand the Custom CSS section. We'll be adding the custom CSS rule right in here, but first let me go back to my website and get the class selected for the text. Let me right-click on it and then select Inspect. Let's target the element which has three classes, product _text, caption, and RTE. Now let's go back to the editor. Let's add the following rule. Type period, product, _tags, period, caption, period, RTE. Now open the left and right curly braces. Place the cursor in between, then press enter. On the next line, type color, colon, then go to Google and type color picker in the search. Let me pick the red color. Now make sure to copy the hex code including the hashtag. And then let's go back and paste it right in here. And make sure to add the semicolon at the end. As you can see, calculated at checkout text was changed to red. Now let's apply the same color change but to the shipping link. For that, copy the current rule. Let's add some space underneath. Let's paste it right here. And now after the RTE, add space followed by an A. As you can notice, the shipping link was also changed to red. Now let's save the changes. Let's go back to the products page. Let's try refreshing it. And as you can see, the shipping calculated at checkout message is now in red, and this change will be reflected in other product pages. So for now, that's all for this video. I hope you found it useful, and for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.